next supplication, which will be discussed, is found in chapter 11, verse 47.
My Lord, I seek refuge in you from asking that of which I have no knowledge. And unless you forgive me and have mercy upon me, I will be among the losers.
The first thing mentioned in this supplication indicates the importance of gaining and acting on knowledge. A Muslim should not live in ignorance, as this in reality can be considered the root of all evil, as an ignorant person will neglect the commands of Allah, the Exalted, transgress the limits of Allah, the Exalted, and fail to show patience when facing destiny. How can an ignorant person not act in this way when they do not know any better? In addition, an ignorant person will often act and speak in a way which contradicts the teachings of Islam, and instead act on cultural practices which have no foundation in Islam. When elders remain ignorant, it encourages the young to do the same. This leads to generation after generation of ignorance. It is important to understand, truly believing in the hereafter cannot be achieved without knowledge. The Holy Quran itself is a book of knowledge. If knowledge was not required to succeed, then why was it revealed to mankind? If a person cannot achieve lawful success in this world without knowledge, how can one expect to achieve permanent success in the hereafter without it? The same way a person does not receive their wages without utilizing their knowledge, such as a doctor, neither will a Muslim obtain reward without gaining and acting on knowledge. The final thing mentioned in this supplication indicates the importance of understanding that one can only achieve success through the mercy of Allah, the Exalted, which has been advised in a narration found in Sahih Bukhari, number 5673. As the inspiration, knowledge, strength, and opportunity to act is given by none other than Allah, the Exalted. Understanding this prevents the deadly sin of pride, an atom's worth of which is enough to take one to hell, which has been warned in a narration found in Sahih Muslim, number 267.